Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Jack of Everything. Today, in this unboxing and review video, we have the Google Home Mini by Google. So, we basically just got this for free because we're members of Spotify. But even though we use iPhones, we still use Spotify. I mean, I signed up for the 3-month trial for Apple Music, but we still use Spotify. So that's why we got this for free. And right here we have the charcoal color. As you can see, it says here, charcoal. So we're just going to unbox it right here. I got my scissors. And I'm just going to cut on the edge. So on here. Gosh. How do you cut? Wait, oh, I think you're supposed to do it here. No. Okay, I think it's the bottom.
2 hours later.
Oh, here. I think it's here. Cut that. Okay. Put that there to the side. Now, if you read the box, it says that this works with Nest, which is a smoke alarm brand. Philips Hue, which is basically this, Hue lights. It works with Wemo, which I don't know what that is. Google Chromecast, which we used to use. Google Photos, which we use for backup photos app. Spotify, well, for our music listening app. Netflix, which is our movie watching app. Well, sometimes we use the Apple TV app. And YouTube is where I get my subscribers. So I'm gonna open the box here. Oh, right, the bottom. So it looks like, so all you have to do is peel the tab. And just you peel the tab and it opens up just like that. Whoa, it just slipped right out. So here's the Google Home Mini. It's kind of like how do you call it? It's kind of like a little I don't know. What do you think it is, Mom? What do you think it looks like?
Looks a little like a disc, like a puck.
Like a puck, yeah, a hockey puck. And it looks like on the back we have an orange plate. It looks, and it's rubbery so that when it's on the table, it doesn't move a lot. So yeah, the orange color is really bright. It's nice. You got this button here. I don't know what that does. You got a micro USB connector to plug it in, make sure it's working. Well, plug it in to work. Then we got the on switch here. I think actually I don't think that's the on switch. I think this is mute. I think. And yeah, so let's check out the contents inside. Let's check out some of the other stuff. So I'm gonna peel this out. So this is the tray for it. I'm gonna put that to the side. Oh, here we have the cable for it. Whoa. We have the cable, so this is what it plugs into. It has a nice G on the back, which stands for Google, obviously. And then we have the micro USB connector to the end. Oh, and then here's some user manuals. Let's get started. Get to know your Google Home Mini. Be safe. And yeah, so I'm going to put this back together. So just some information of how to use it and how to get started and how it functions, basically. So I'm going to put that to the side really quickly. And we're going to go plug this into an outlet, and we're going to see how it works. Google Home Mini right on my desk right here. So there's these little cord managers that you can peel off just like that. Put that up there, and this one up there too. Let's move it in the back. Okay, so now we got the cord right here. So what we do first is we take it, we plug it in here. Now it's plugged in to the outlet. Now all we have to do is plug it in into here. And action. Well, not really action, but. And now it's powering on. Now the 4 dots are there. So. Gonna wait for it to turn on, so we'll cut this part.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so first, before we start using the Google Home Mini, we have to download the Google app. So I'm gonna get my iPhone, and I'm gonna download the Google app. Okay, guys, downloaded the Google Home app on my iPhone. I just set it up, And right now we can control everything. So I can just go like this. Hey Google, turn off Jack's bedroom.
Okay, turning off 6 lights.
6 lights off. It's crazy. Okay. Hey Google, turn Jack's bedroom on.
You got it, turning on 6 lights.
Wow. It's cool, right? Okay, now, what can we do now? Oh. Hey Google, play some music on Spotify.
Sure, music on Spotify. Here you go.
And guys, the speaker, even though this is a mini, the speaker sounds really good. Like in person, it sounds really good. Okay, so, hey Google, stop. Yeah, so the speakers are great. When you ask Google to turn off the lights, it's really good. Here, I want to try another thing. Hey Google, dim the lights in Jack's bedroom.
Okay, dimming 6 lights.
Wow. So guys, it's great, right? Okay, so guys, you can buy the Google Home Mini, or if you're a Spotify member, you can get it for free. So if you don't have Spotify, maybe I suggest you could get it, so you could get a Google Home Mini for free if you don't have an Amazon Echo or HomePod. So guys, that's the end of the Google Home Mini review and unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.